Okay, for today's challenge, ako na tong alon nila version. Tulo ka participants. Ang pinakalas, ang pinakagana. Tulo ni sila ka performer, ang pinakalas, ang pinakagana. By Ramundo.
I hear the ticking of the clock. I'm lying in her speech dark.
Woo! Galing!
No answer on the telephone. And the night goes by so very slow. Oh, I hope that it won't end.